How to fix Temu app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Temu app not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected with a stable Wi-Fi or data. Now, if internet is not the issue, next thing you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on the search bar. Here, you want to search for Temu. Now, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating the app, any glitches or bugs will be fixed and you will be able to use Temu app without any problem. However, if that doesn't fixes your issue, the next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. Then you want to scroll down and find the Temu app over here. Simply tap on that. Next, you want to tap on storage. Here, tap on the clear cache option. After you have cleared the cache, you want to go ahead and check if your problem has been fixed. If not, that you want to contact the customer support of Temu, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.